How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. I want to show you the premium apps with Nexus rewards, and I want to show you one reason why Nexus rewards is a nice decision for 2024. So here we have the Nexus. First, we have the discounts, rewards, and lifestyle benefits. Right here, it's like a shopping hub you can go save money on. We have the Nexus bill reduction program, save money on your bills. We have the prescription discount up to 80%. We have the Nexus shopping boss, a powerful cash back tool. And we have the Nexus Zoom, and it's only $12.99 per month when it's usually 50 or so. And then we have some free apps as well. So these are the benefits you get. So if you eat out, if you shop, if you like cash back, this is just something to get. And especially if you want to make some money online, even better, because the overhead is $9.95 a month. It's only $49.95 to get started. Low overhead as well. So here's one of our members in Nexus Snap. So I want you guys to see the power in this part of the compensation plan. You're going to see me speaking on the compensation plan a lot, but 20% coded infinity bonuses. So 2 of your 5 members are going to pass up to your sponsor when it comes to affinity bonuses. You'll get the money that you earn from fast starts from them. You'll get the money in the matrix and all that other stuff. But as far as the 20% bonuses, it's going to pass up to your sponsor. So you see all these numbers on the board. What's amazing is when you start signing up prospects, 2 of their 5 members is going to pass up to you. So you're going to get $2 a month per person. So you see, as we go down, as the numbers in your organization, get wider, all these numbers are times 2. So if we come down here to 3,000 members in your organization, due to the pass up with the affinity bonuses, you time this by $2 a month, almost $7,000 residually, if not $7,000 residually. So we see how powerful this is, because this is a number that we want to get to anyways. And that's just for this level. You still have to add in this level, 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 this level. But what's more powerful is I said you pass up 2 out of your 5. What happens when you go and you start, adding more prospects and it goes wide? You no longer pass up your prospects. $2, $2, but guess what else happens? They still pass up their first 2. So just in coded bonuses alone, you can make 6 figures a year. No income guarantee, but just in coded bonuses alone, especially if you're looking to build a team. In this industry, it's all about, prospecting and helping your people get more customers as well. So can you imagine in the next 8 months where this business can be if you take it serious? And a product is a product that everyone's going to use, and they should never get rid of it. So you should have heavy retention. So just in coded bonuses alone, which no one else has this that I know of, you can have a nice income with Nexus rewards. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're someone that wants to start a business for a low amount of money, but something that can really pay you a nice amount of money, everything will be in the description. If you're seeing this on Facebook for some reason and you don't see any link or anything, just comment in the comment section, more info.